The main theme and idea of the book, Say Yes to Life, is to encourage individuals to embrace a positive mindset, live life to the fullest, and seize opportunities for growth and happiness. The book explores the power of optimism, gratitude, and the ability to say yes to life's challenges and opportunities. One of the reasons why this book is worth reading is its uplifting and empowering message. It serves as a reminder that life is full of possibilities, and by adopting a positive attitude and embracing new experiences, we can unlock our potential and create a more fulfilling and joyful life. Say Yes to Life can teach readers the following valuable lessons. Embrace a positive mindset. The book emphasizes the importance of cultivating a positive outlook on life and focusing on the possibilities rather than dwelling on the negatives. Practice gratitude. It encourages readers to appreciate the present moment and express gratitude for the blessings and opportunities that come their way. Step out of comfort zones. The book inspires readers to take risks, explore new horizons, and step outside their comfort zones in order to discover new passions and achieve personal growth. Embrace change. It highlights the significance of embracing change and adapting to new circumstances, as change often brings valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Live authentically. The book encourages readers to be true to themselves, follow their passions, and make choices that align with their values and aspirations. Here are some notable quotes from Say Yes to Life. Life is a gift, and it's up to us to make the most of it. Say yes to the challenges, say yes to the adventures, and say yes to the opportunities that come your way. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the doors to abundance and joy. When we appreciate what we have, we invite more blessings into our lives. Don't be afraid to take risks and embrace uncertainty. It's through facing our fears that we discover our true potential. Every day is a new chance to say yes to life. Make the most of each moment and live with purpose and passion. In summary, Say Yes to Life is an inspiring book that encourages readers to adopt a positive mindset, embrace new experiences, and live life to the fullest. It serves as a reminder that by saying yes to life, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities for growth, happiness, and fulfillment. In addition to the main themes and ideas mentioned earlier, Say Yes to Life also delves into the concept of self-belief and the power of visualization. The book emphasizes the importance of believing in oneself and one's abilities, as well as the power of visualizing success and desired outcomes. By harnessing the power of the mind and cultivating a strong belief in one's capabilities, individuals can overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. Furthermore, the book explores the role of perseverance and resilience in the pursuit of a fulfilling life. It highlights the importance of staying committed to one's dreams and goals, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. The author emphasizes that setbacks are not failures, but opportunities for learning and growth, and that it is through resilience and perseverance that true success is achieved. Another valuable lesson from the book is the significance of living in the present moment. It encourages readers to let go of past regrets and future worries, and instead focus on fully experiencing and appreciating the present. By being mindful and fully engaged in the present moment, individuals can cultivate a greater sense of happiness and fulfillment in their lives.